A Land Rover Defender wheel spacers good or bad? Quality Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Land Rover Defender wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. High-quality Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Land Rover Defender wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing Land Rover Defender wheel spacers is a great way to fix roll offset rubbing problems that installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and the tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you will less limit to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Land Rover Defender wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. Works better by spacing the wheels out from the suspension. The Land Rover Defender wheel spacers provide smooth and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle will look better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 event. This Land Rover Defender wheel spacers has high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers have heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pattern shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS active cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers feature ISO-grade top-line wheel studs, as well as ISO-grade 10 lug nuts. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TÜV certification reports. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are surely a good option for your vehicle.